Alright, and in this example I'm going to show you how to add and edit the full width feature module. So you're going to click here on the full width feature area. This area can take a few different modules, but the main one is a feature module, which you'll see as we put it together here. So we're going to create and connect a page. We're going to connect feature content. So basically that's going to, we'll call it feature content Eric. And that's going to go through a process of building all the pieces that it requires. So it'll go through here and tell us the page is created and timed out. And we'll click OK. Now it doesn't appear right away. No need to worry, it is there. So all you have to do is open and close your page. It's a little elaborate module, so it has a little bit of a nuance to it as it creates itself. So now we have this here. We want to go in and add content to this area. So you click here. It opens up into its own panel, which has its own page to open. Click here. And basically you have some options here. You can do randomization, you can do slideshow, and all these things can be changed. You know, wait for users to click through image. These are some of the options. The delay, basically, as you can see here, if you go down to 5, it's a little bit shorter delay. If you go up to 9, it's a little bit longer. So you basically want to stay between 5 and 9. 9 actually looks the nicest, from my opinion. 7 works just fine. So what we can do here is begin to fill out our content. So here's the first thing. We're going to fill out the title. The title of this first slide is going to be careers. I'm going to click on careers and click OK. And then we're going to click on the content area. And we have a small paragraph we'd like to add there. So click that. And here's our text editor. We're going to actually paste everything in as text. Paste as text. That adds our content in there. Doesn't add any extra code, so it helps clean it out for you. Click OK. So that adds the code. And then obviously we need our image. So we're going to search for our image. This image happens to be on the desktop. Whoop. So we're in our asset manager here, which is gigantic. We're going to select an asset from our local file system. Browse for it. I'll pick that off the desktop. Here is our image. Click open. It's in there. Click OK. It can ask us what year we added it. And it's added our picture. So that's how you add the first one. So I'm now going to go ahead and add a second module to this list. So I click here, create and connect. It's going to add a second slideshow item. Click OK. And it gives us another set here to add information to. So I did a little cooking show switcheroo there on you and basically filled this information out quick so you didn't have to watch me do it. And so the next option here is, now that we have 2 items set in there, you can also edit the order that these come in. For instance, if we wanted this one behind, we can move it down, and that'll edit the order of the featured items. So let's go back and see how everything looks here that we have it put together. You won't see anything while you're in Smart Edit mode. So you can open the page and preview the page. There you go. You can see we added our careers and our career resources, and that's how you use the feature content module.